Hey, I'm Dr. Dave Easler with Trinity Chiropractic in Glendale, Arizona. Does your job require you to sit for long periods of time? If so, it can be causing lower back problems. Sitting puts more pressure on the discs in your lower back than any other position. So I have my wife Cheryl with me today, and we're going to demonstrate how to set up your chair properly to minimize lower back problems.
So one thing about office chairs are a lot like shoes. There are some that fit really well and some that don't fit very well. So if you are able to have any input into what office chair you have, it would be great if you could go try a bunch on to see what really fits you best and where you're most comfortable.
Now, regardless of the chair you end up with, if you had any say in it or not, it's important that you have it set up properly. What you want to do is make sure that you can sit with your feet flat on the floor and the chair is at a height where your lower leg is straight up and down, your knee is bent at 90 degrees, and then that allows your hip to be at 90 degrees so you can sit straight. That minimizes the pressure and tension on the muscles in your lower back as well. Now, what Cheryl was referring to with getting the proper fit with your chair is the distance from the front of the seat to the seat rest, and then also the height of the lumbar support on the backrest. You want to make sure that the lumbar support isn't too low and pushing forward on your butt. You also want to make sure it's not too high. You want to have it right in that hollow portion of your lower back so that it's reinforcing that normal curve and helping to eliminate fatigue. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please share it with your friends, family, and coworkers. If you suffer from low back pain, give us a call at 602-603-5444 so we can help you feel better, heal better, and live better.